Trying to get it started. You guys can tell me what's going on here. But it's pretty pristine. It's actually been sitting since 2010. So, it's like, I give it gas, it does the same thing. So, I don't know. Comments below.